Hello, Madhurjo. May I talk to you?
Sure.
Today we will talk about a favorite restaurant. Are you ready?
Yes.
First of all, let's pronounce the word restaurant.
Okay.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
So it is not restaurant, right?
Okay.
It is
Restaurant.
restaurant. All right. So what's your favorite restaurant?
It's second home.
Second home.
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's on the beach.
How many times have you gone there?
I have gone 10 times.
10 times?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken fry.
Chicken fry. So whenever you go to second home, you order chicken fry and you like to have chicken fry, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me more about second home?
Second home is very beautiful. There are so many drawings in the wall. And the food is very tasty.
Oh, their foods are very tasty, yummy.
Yes.
And oh, yeah. What is the specialty? Are there any playing station?
No.
No?
No.
No playing station at all?
No.
Okay. So, do you have any other favorite restaurant?
No.
No? Only that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Talk to you later on.
Okay.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.